Hi everybody, I just want to show you a quick demonstration on how to use the adapter for the Wreath Lock, the world's first anti-theft wreath hook. So we're going to get your grapevine wreath, we're going to flip it over to the back. So at the top, you're going to get either a group of grapevines or just the large grapevine. You're going to take your adapter, you're going to place it through, then you're going to get your Wreath Lock hook, then you're going to take it, flip it over, facing the wreath. Then you're going to put the hook through the adapter as shown, and then you're going to pull all the way up, and when you're done, you hang it on your door like this. Once you hang it on the door and you close the door, you can no longer remove the wreath from the door. So this is just a quick tip on how to use the adapter. Have a great day!